how are you? I hope you and your loved ones are doing really well and having a blessed day so far, especially by the time you're watching this, it'll be Christmas Day. Hopefully I'll get it uploaded on time. So this would be for Vlogmas day number 1, Christmas Vlogmas, and today I am using the Morphe palette. This one is for their holiday 2025, and it says it's called Naughty. So here's the packaging. It's really pretty. And then here's the back. So it does come with a nice mirror and this tutorial sheet. You could use it as reference if you like. I really like them because it's easy to follow. And so these would be the shades. It's so pretty. I can't wait to do swatches right now. So I really love the pen sizes. I think it's quite a lot for what you get. I think it's $22 for regular price. So for the swatches right away, I really love the shimmers in the palettes. I really like this duochrome one. It's like pink to blue. And then I did find that with these two shades from the bottom of the palette, it would be these two. They look the same on camera, but when you swatch it, you could kind of see like the undertone. So they're both on the dark side, but one has like a purple undertone and then the other one is more brown. So this one's more purple plum and that one's like a dark brown. I don't know if you could tell, but I could, and they're both like, they look the same from far away, but when you look up close, they do have different undertones. And then some of the shimmers are like toppers, so they're more like a light shimmer finish. And then when I swatched the mattes, they felt so smooth and really soft. Super pigmented as well. So now let's get started on the eye look. I'm going to go ahead and put on this lip oil from Victoria's Secret real quick. Okay, my friends, so this would be my finished look. Okay, so I have some thoughts about this palette, and I would say that the mattes, they blended beautifully, really smooth and pigmented. The only thing is that the shimmers, the ones that are supposed to be like toppers, so it'd be like these sparkly ones, like this one, that one, and this. I do find that it has like a lot of glitter fallout on my face, and I think that's my fault because I didn't use glitter glue before applying the shimmers, or else that wouldn't be happening. But I do find that the look came out really beautiful. I will just say that the primer situation is my fault because I only used the foundation and powder on my eyes, but I just didn't use a glitter glue to make sure this didn't happen. But overall, I really love the palette. I think it's really easy to work with, especially with the shimmer right here. This one is not a topper, it's just like a standard shimmer, and it performs beautifully on the outer crease. I could see that it's like a burgundy shift to it. It's so beautiful. And again, the mattes, they blend beautifully. I did not have a problem with having a lot of fallout as well with using it. So hopefully you could get the palette on sale. I was fortunate enough to get mine around $9 with a sale and a coupon on top of each other. So I absolutely think that you'll love this palette if you don't mind working with the shimmers with glitter glue. I think that you could create a lot of beautiful looks with this color story, because you could go pink, you could go neutral, you could go really smoky with these shades right there. You could go full glam with these right here. The shimmer I used for all over the lid was this one. And this one is really beautiful. It reminds me of the Urban Decay. It's like a space cowboy eyeshadow. I don't know what they call that shadow. I think it's called Moon Dust. Okay, yes, it's called a 24/7 Moon Dust Glitter Eyeshadow. So it looks like that. So they are kind of similar in texture, but I wouldn't say they're the same. But I do find that it's really pretty all over the lid. Super sparkly. So thank you, my friend, for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed. May God bless always, and I just want to wish you and your family and all your loved ones a very blessed Merry Christmas. May the birth of our Lord Jesus Christ bring light and peace to you and everyone that you love, that you feel that this brings a lot of joy into your home, into your lives, into everything that you do, that you're super blessed with all the little things in life, especially with good health and safety. So please feel free to subscribe if you haven't already, if you're new here. If you're not, if you're my returning viewer, I love you as always. I'm sending you a big hug today, and I hope that you have a good day with your day or night, whatever time you're watching, and I hope to see you soon on my vlogmas day number 2. Okay, bye my friend.